Greetings. We are the Arcturian Council. We are pleased to connect with all of you. Yes. 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 Awakening your consciousness is no small feat. It took quite a bit of effort on your part to go to sleep in the first place. And now here you are, awakening to your true selves, to your place in the galaxy and in the universe. You are awakening much more than your knowledge of who you are and what you are capable of doing. You are also awakening the parts of you that have been brushed aside. The parts of you that have been suppressed. And that have not been a part of your whole self for quite some time. This is the truly challenging piece for all of you. It is awakening aspects of yourself that you wouldn't even want to admit were a part of you. But now is the time to not only admit that they are your counterparts, it is also the time for you to embrace them, to activate everything that has been suppressed about them, and to reintegrate them. So that you can ascend as your whole self. It is your destiny to make this journey. And all parts of you have signed up for the ride. As you connect to them, you collect them, you bring them home. And the energy that you access when you do is quite possibly the most satisfying part of the experience. Being reassembled with all of your forgotten parts is like going home again. It is like taking a quantum leap forward in your evolution. And it is a leap that you're ready for. There will come a time when you have to face parts of yourself that you won't even recognize. And that will be a joyous moment for you. Because you will acknowledge yourself as all that is. You will see yourself as more than just an individual, more than just your personality. You will see yourselves as the whole of Source, shining your light through a very unique prism. And when you do that, all of your aspects get to shine their uniqueness at once, creating a beautiful tapestry of color and a depth that you have never known before. That is who you are. That is the whole you. And that is the you are bringing to the fifth dimension. We are the Arcturian Council, and we have enjoyed connecting with you.